How does price forecast work in Kayak.com? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, travelers perform billions of requests for travel information on Kayak websites and mobile apps each year. So, Kayak analyzes these queries to forecast whether the price for a given destination and dates is likely to go up or down over the next 7 days. So, they develop the flight price and forecast using algorithms and mathematical models, and predictions based on past history can never be perfect. So, it cannot be guaranteed that it will be correct. But what you can do is you can go to your browser, go to kayak.com, and then search for the flights. And then on the left hand side, you can see that we expect prices to rise $180 in the next 45 days. So that's how the forecast works, but it is never sure because Kayak cannot guarantee it. However, if you're using a kayak.com app, then it will show you a graph of the price forecast. But it is not available for every flight search because sometimes the route you have chosen does not have enough data, or you're not searching round trip flights, or the model needs more information. So, for not every flights, you will not get the price forecast. So, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.